Yes, oh shoot. My loyal royals, welcome back to another I cannot talk today. Let me start over. Woo! Oh my goodness. Let me get it together. She's royal, yeah. So royal, yeah. I want her in my life. Hey royals, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz, aka Royal Beauty. It's been a minute, but I am back and I'm here to share with you some new wigs, and I'm really excited because the wig that I am going to review today is actually one that I absolutely love. I've been wearing it. I've worn it about 2 or 3 times now for a photo shoot and also to review another wig, but I love this wig. I think it's absolutely adorable. It is blue. So I'm going to go ahead and share this color with you guys, share this wig with you guys. But before I do that, I really would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. Here on my channel, I do a lot of wig reviews and makeup tutorials and all types of fun vlogs for you guys, so you guys can see me and my family travel and have fun. So if you're interested in any of that, please feel free to click on that subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and also the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. I know it's redundant to say, but we gotta say it. But let's get into this wig review because I know that's what you are here for. Alright you guys, so the wig that I'm going to review for you guys today is sent to me from So Good Shop. So Good Shop, they are in Atlanta and they are amazing. They have a wide variety of wigs. If you want to check out their website, it will be linked in the description box so you can check them out. They literally have some good wigs. The wig that I'm going to review for you guys today is a main concept wig. Her name is Vicky, and she is this beautiful blue wig right here. I love this wig. I actually have worn it a couple of times, so I can give you guys an actual review on the wear of this wig and give you guys some tips about how to wear it because I've worn it a couple of times. Unlike most times when I wear my synthetic wigs, I use them to review for you guys and I put them nicely in a box and I don't really wear them all the time. So this one I actually got a little bit of a wear in, as you can see, and I can tell you guys about it. It actually looks pretty good for a wig that I've worn at least 3 times now. So this wig is a lace front wig, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you the details, and then I'll be back with an actual review. So first of all, the wig is a lace front wig. It has this amount of lace though, so it has lace only where you can part it. So it's not like a lace frontal. It doesn't have that much parting space. It just has enough to do a part right there in the middle, and you can certainly shift it from side to side. That's what I did. It comes with 2 combs right here by the parting, and then it also comes with, or on the side rather, and one at the nape. It also comes with an adjustable strap, and it's very stretchy. I feel that this wig is big head friendly because I definitely didn't need the adjustable strap at all to still feel like I could put my hand up in there. Yeah, so it's definitely very stretchy. I do feel like it's big head friendly. Place my wig cap on my head. Now, if you have cornrows, if you have hair under here, you definitely want to make sure your hair is cornrowed. Place this wig on my head. I wrap it out of the way. Shake it a little bit. Shake it. Shake it downward. And then put this on my head. Like so. And then flip it back. Okay. She is so cute, y'all. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. We're going to grab my wig brush here. And I'm just going to comb the wig out, starting from the bottom. Oh, I love blue on me. Like, I love blue wigs on me. I think it's really cute. And I do actually have pictures that I will insert so you can see how long. Because I'm just not in the mood right now to get up and like do the whole 360. As you can see, she is very long and beautiful. So, okay, so I do get some shedding. A lot of shedding. I think that is a major con for this wig. It's very beautiful. It's very thick. It has a yaki texture, which I love. It's comfortable. I do have the adjustable strap on right now because I wanted this to lay flush against my my head. And as you can see, I didn't even have to do that much to make it blend in. I have the perfect wig cap underneath. I'm not doing baby hairs. There's no need to. You can definitely do a middle part, or you can switch it and kind of kick it with the side part if you wanted to. You can definitely put it up into a sleek ponytail. You can. Looks like that, which is cute. This is how I was rocking her the other day. Not that much, maybe just this much there. Use your imagination, decide how much you want to leave out, but you could leave out a side, you know, from each side, and kind of just give it a little bit of a different look. I love it. This is the back. You can see how long it is. Very long. So you can see it goes all the way down to my butt. It's very, very long. Very long. And it doesn't say on the box how long it is. Nope, it doesn't say. They don't tell you how long it actually is, but if I had to estimate, I would say dang near close to 20, 22. It's very long. Okay, so main things that you need to know about this wig are the pros. The pros are it is beautiful, it's comfortable, I love the color, it blends all the way through, and the color I have is denim blue. If I haven't said that already, it is in the description box. But the color that I have this wig in is in denim blue, and the wig has a it has, the main color is blue, but it does have a hint of green, which I was not expecting, like hints of green and turquoise. I don't know why it doesn't tell me if it's heat safe. So I didn't get to show you guys that, but it did have lace. It came with lace that you have to cut along the hairline, and I already did that. All the information will be listed down in the description box, so make sure you check it out and find all of that in there. This is the end of this wig review, guys. I love it. Oh, I didn't run through the cons. The cons are that it has a lot of shedding. For a length of this, like this kind of wig, you're gonna expect shedding because you're gonna expect tangling. With tangling comes shedding. When you have to brush through all the tangles to get them out constantly, you're gonna keep causing for hairs to come out. And as you can see at the bottom, the ends are already starting to swell from me wearing it a couple of times, but it's not that bad if you're really, really good with this wig and you do not wear it constantly over and over again. I definitely see you having longevity with this wig because you just throw it on just to be cute and then put it back away. So that's my tip for how you can get the most out of this wig. Alright, you guys, so that concludes today's wig review. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for another one. If you guys have any questions that I did not answer, please feel free to comment in the comment section and ask me, and I will be happy to answer them for you. Everything else that I did go over will be linked in, everything else that I did go over will be linked and put in the description box so that you guys can access that information. I love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in for another wig review or your first wig review with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay royal.